Hey guys, what's up? Crypto Marco here, and many of you probably have joined the cryptocurrency space in December and January when almost every day was looking like this, green all over the place, and many people who invested into cryptocurrencies have been investing for the first time in their lives and are used to this kind of stuff. Cryptocurrencies is basically years of stocks in a few weeks or even months. And there's high volatility and there are high expectations. And of course, people want to see another bull run, just like in December and January this year. So how likely is it that this is going to happen? Let's talk about that in this video. At the beginning of the video, I'll do a quick overview over the market. Afterwards, we're going to take a look at the most important stuff that has been happening in the Bitcoin sphere, and at the end of the video I'm giving away a small amount of Litecoins. So if you want to participate, just leave a comment down below with a question, problem, feedback, whatever, and don't forget to involve your Litecoin address, because among everybody who's commenting I'm giving away a small amount. So good luck and let's get started. So as you can see on CoinMarketCap, it's a good day for cryptocurrencies. Redcoin is mooning, but if you take a closer look at Redcoin, you'll see that Redcoin has been mooning so much harder since John McAfee tweeted about Redcoin once. Initially, I thought it was just some piece of shit coin that was pumped, and you should definitely stay away from coins that are being pumped like that. Because right now it's far away from its all-time high, but if we take a look at the last 7 days, we can see that there has been quite a nice development with Redcoin. Furthermore, market cap, as you can see, since the 30th of March, we're pretty much glued to 250 billion US dollars. It looked like we would have a bullish outbreak at 270 billion, but turns out that the investors aren't having it right now. We're seeing slightly correction towards a bit more money coming in, but as you know, tomorrow we could see everything in red again. Bitcoin staying very solid at 6,800, and in my opinion, what would need to happen to see one more bull run is definitely a more mainstream approach to cryptocurrencies, more people using Bitcoin, because what we have seen in March and December, if you remember, is that it was in the mainstream media's attention. People who were never investing before, people who never in their lives even thought about purchasing stocks, all of a sudden wanted to buy Bitcoin, took huge loans, sold all of their stuff because they were FOMOing really hard, they had fear of missing out, and wanted a piece of the cake. So that's why many people invested into cryptocurrencies, and billions of dollars of people were coming into the sphere. Hence, almost everybody who was investing was making money, fueling the fire even more, and the price was bloated and was pretty much looking for an excuse just to get dumped, and that's what we have seen. So as you can see, since November, December, and January, man, people are so not interested anymore in cryptocurrencies. Went up by a huge, it's just plummeted down. And in my opinion, something that we would need for Bitcoin price to reach new heights, first of all, is of course better technology, such as a layer 2 solutions, Lightning Labs providing the Lightning Network. And of course, mainstream adoption. Now, something that I have seen on CoinDesk, very interesting. Blockchain is going mainstream, says European Commission's official, and we can see the whole speech in front of the European Commission at europa.eu. So if you want to check it out, go ahead. I highlighted some of the most important stuff. According to Atomico, we are home to the world's leading AI research community, and the European tech sector identifies AI and blockchain as the areas where Europe is best positioned to play a leading role. If you're unfamiliar with AI, it's artificial intelligence, so machine learning, machines doing stuff that is almost as smart as humans, and Europe is well positioned for that. I would like to see the EU countries make a similar commitment to blockchain technologies now moving out of the lab and going mainstream, as which AI we should make the most out of this new opportunity to innovate. So guys, either way, mainstream adoption and people get crazy about Bitcoin one more time and put all of their money into it, and we're mooning. Or other option is institutional money gets invested into Bitcoin. Right now is a good opportunity for institutional investors to invest into Bitcoin, although many of them are still very cautious because it's super volatile. But you know, George Soros entered the picture, and he's long on cryptocurrencies, and if he's long on something, then he will probably make it go long if it does not want to go long by itself. But in any case, I think that it might take a while until we see another huge bull run. And right now is the phase of when others are fearful, you should be greedy. When others are greedy, you should be fearful. Right now, everybody's fearful, does not want to invest. You can get coins at a real bargain. So in my humble opinion, right now is a good moment to invest for a long term. Now, there are people out there who are like, oh, Marco, you already said in December, January, it's a good moment to invest. First of all, this is all personal opinion and not financial advice. Second of all, when I say it's a good moment to invest in other videos, I'm saying I think it's a good moment to invest for a short-term swing trade. So you have to be really careful about that. And basically, everybody's responsible for his own investment. But if you have not invested into cryptocurrencies, I think that right now is a good moment for that. Going on, social media experts turning to cryptocurrency industry. So is blockchain threatening social media, and is that the reason why Facebook, Google, and Twitter have banned cryptocurrency advertisements all of a sudden? And I want to go through the whole article with you guys because I think it's really great. Cryptocurrencies are not only making headlines for its ease in doing businesses, but also for its mass usability in all walks of life. Social media, when it first began with Facebook in 2004, actually it began with MySpace, started to gain people's attention and time. Cryptocurrencies in all forms, whether it be in investing, trading, or even discussing, are slowly taking over the once viral social media. Coinbase, a digital cryptocurrency exchange headquartered in California, USA, has hired a new vice president of communications. The new VP of sales, Rachel Horowitz, was director of technology communications at Facebook and has helped scale communications at Twitter too. She has taken Facebook and Twitter to new heights and is now aiming to do the same for Coinbase. Rachel Horowitz is a person who follows her heart. Regarding her expertise in the digital platform, feels that Coinbase is very exciting. She has quoted saying, "It was so much about what drew me to Twitter when I joined the company. It just feels like this is a very exciting company at a very critical moment." That's cool for me personally, but that's very interesting from a communications perspective. Coinbase is hiring talent at a pace that lasts few months, with Emily Choi taking over as the new Vice President of Corporate and Business Development, Eric Scrow as Vice President of Finance, and Tina Bagata as Vice President of Operations and Technology. Coinbase even announced branching out into venture funding for new crypto startups, so that's something I have talked about yesterday, so go ahead and check out the video. What the dilemma in social media, blockchain-based social media with several benefits will be available to the public soon. The social content in the blockchain environment will be more of a decentralized nature, which gives more control to the user than existing social media sites. That means it's pretty much the users deciding that management of a social media platform. The recent Cambridge Analytica scandal has proved that social media is not that secure, especially Facebook. With a blockchain-based social network, users will have enhanced security. I love to hear that. Social media has helped a lot of brands and startups concerning marketing and branding. However, the options of clients buying through these platforms has been a significant concern. A blockchain-based social media platform will secure the payment transactions using cryptocurrencies, and basic attention tokens will help consumers' data for advertisers. Hence, experts and employees of social media are bound to be switching over to cryptocurrency sphere, where they will be needed to maintain the new social media culture using blockchain technology. And I really love the sound of this. I really makes a lot of sense to me that basically Facebook and Twitter are scared of social media because they're finally doing what the users want, giving back their power, giving back their data. And I can't wait for the fucking first social media on the blockchain, because I don't like giving social media all my data. Next up, we see Monera experiencing major drop in hash rate following the hard fork. And we don't know right now what this will mean for Monera, but if you take a look at this chart, like, you'll see that, oh my god, no, this is definitely a huge a huge plummet in hash rate. But again, might be because of a lot of the hash rate went to Monero Classic, might be because of many people have not even adopted the hard fork. We can see it's already recovering slowly, but what the long-term effects of that will have on Monero remains to be seen. Right now, Monero is actually doing pretty well despite of all the FOMO that was going on. Actually, we do see a drop in Monero, and it might, yes, it actually, in my opinion, this does correlate actually 5th, 7th, 8th, 9th. Okay, I'm not so sure if this really does correlate. Maybe it does, maybe it does not, but I don't, we just have to see what happens in the future. So guys, thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave it a thumbs up. And as always, at the end, I'm giving away a small amount of Litecoin. Everything I said in this video is my personal opinion and not financial advice. So be very responsible when you're investing into cryptocurrencies. And this nice being has won the giveaway. Let me see if the... Okay, we have like... It looks like somebody from India, so congratulations. Let me just check what's going on your account. Yeah, that's like just a random account. But anyway, I am giving away to everybody who's commenting and everybody who's leaving its Litecoin address. So thank you very much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed the video, smash the like button. Let me know that you like it. Hit the comment section down below. And thank you so much for watching. Until next time, good luck trading. Bye-bye.